My video editing portfolio was getting tons of compliments from other editors. They were saying things like sick transitions, amazing color grading, love your style, but I wasn't getting any clients. But then I discovered a real problem. I was creating a portfolio for video editors, not for people who actually would hire me and pay video editors. In this video, I'm gonna show you why compliments don't equal clients. The 3 things clients actually look for in portfolios that most editors completely miss. And the exact portfolio structure that converted 23% of my visitors into paying clients. So you can stop impressing editors and start booking deals. The problem with most portfolios for video editors is editors are showing cool transitions and effects, but clients want to see business results. They just show random collections of work with no context about who they help and what problems they actually solve. You're getting like compliments but no clients because you're speaking to the wrong audience. Just think about it. If you have cool real estate videos on your website but you're trying to attract fitness coaches, like they are not going to resonate with you. They can't see the vision how you could actually help them with their content. Because you're good at taking videos of houses and architecture, that doesn't mean that you can actually help scale a fitness coach. So you need to be very specific at who you help and what problems you solve for these people. So what does clients actually want then? They want 3 things. They want relevance, they want results, and relatability. So the first thing, relevance. They want to see work that speaks to their specific industry, to their specific problems, and they want to see that you can actually solve these problems. So again, like for example, the real estate thing. If you just have real estate videos on your website and you're trying to attract fitness coaches, that doesn't work. The second thing, results, business impact, views, subscribers, sales generated. They want to see a real business impact, not just fancy edits. Like if you're just a video editor, you're competing with thousands, tens of thousands, millions of people who are just video editors, and you're super replaceable and you can't charge premium prices. But if you position yourself as a business problem solver, this is gonna allow you to actually charge premium pricing. And the third thing is relatability. Show that you understand their business goals and not just editing. Show that you really understand their problems and the goals that they want to reach, and not just about editing. Like, people don't want to hear how many animations you can do, how cool animations, how many effects you can add into a video. Like, that doesn't matter. The thing that matters is what is the result that people are gonna get from your video. How is your edit and your video gonna help these people to reach their goals? Now, how does the portfolio structure look then? Like, think of it like a sales page. You shouldn't just have a Google Drive document with cool videos. Now you're just a video editor. You need to have a sales page. And this can be very, very simple. The first thing you need on this page is a clear headline. So a clear value proposition first. For example, like you need to have exactly who you help and what results you deliver to these people. This could be just a 1-sentence headline, and in this headline you have exactly who you help and what results you help deliver to these people. After that, we have 3 to 5 case studies with client challenges, solutions, and measurable results, how you actually help these people. So just case studies, these could be interviews with previous clients or something like that. Then we have some before and after examples showing the content transformation. So just have before and after edits, for example, before and after transitions, and also like include some results in there. So for example, if you helped someone grow on social media, have their follower account before they started working with you, and then after, what are the results that they actually saw. And then we have some testimonials at the end from your clients, and that's basically it. So all you really need is a few videos showing off your work, then talk about the problems and the solutions that you actually solve. So this can be very, very simple. It doesn't have to be anything crazy, but everything you need is a headline, case studies, show your work before and after. Just show what you do, what problems you actually solve, and make it super clear, and then some testimonials. That's all you need. Make it super simple. Now, the website is the main hub, but you need to post on social media. Host content in your specific niche. Show your work, show testimonials, case studies. Think of your Instagram or social media platform like LinkedIn, for example, as a landing page. So show the work, talk about what you do, how you help these people, and it should be very value based and show how you actually get people result. And the call to action on your Instagram is obviously to the website, to the hub. So you drive traffic from social media to your website. But the thing is, you need to have, your Instagram needs to be very niched. So for example, if you help real estate agents, just have real estate videos there and not fitness videos. And the other way around, like you can't have real estate videos showing houses if you want to attract fitness coaches. So be very specific at who you help. Again, in the bio, you have the same headline, for example, as on your website, and then a call to action to actually go to your website. On Instagram, you can also pin 3 posts. So the first post should be who you help, what you do. The second post, a case study, how you helped someone get to a specific result. And then the third one could be frequently asked questions or another testimonial. Because the problem I see with like a lot of portfolio is people are showing like multiple industries instead of being very specific, and this doesn't attract anyone. You basically, people look at it and it's like cool, nice videos, but he's not an expert at helping, for example, fitness coaches if you only have real estate videos. So just focus on one specific niche, because if you only have real estate videos and a real estate agent comes on your profile or page, website, they are going to be like, holy shit, this guy knows exactly what we need, and then you're hired. And another thing is like people don't show, they have no context and no results, they just show pretty videos. So actually have some results that you have generated. If you don't have any results, just work for free until you get some results, because again, like you can't sell a service that doesn't get results. Like you need to have results and get results for clients if you want to make it scalable. So again, work for free until you actually make it work, then use those case studies and results and show them on your website, on your socials, and that's gonna allow you to actually have a portfolio that attracts clients. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, and with that being said, it's time to get back to work.